Guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to everyone. I pray and hope for a greater and better week for all of us. If you are joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you and thanks for being here. This is the second round of CVS 2-week ad cycle. We just finished the first round and so far so good in my opinion. We received 2 mystery offers today. That's a $3 off Neutrogena Cosmetics and a $4 off Revlon or Almay Cosmetics. Let's go check out this deal. I'll start this video off by showing the spend 30 get $10 back, and remember this deal is a limit of 1, but I'll be showing 2 options in case you want to pick one of them. Pick up the Olive Vitamin is priced at $17.49, and pick up one of the 25 counts Tide Pod. It's on sale for $13.49. These 2 items are going to total $30.98. Check your app because we have a $3 for the Tide Pod. For the Olive Vitamin, we don't have any coupon, but we have a good Ibotta rebate for it. Taking off the $3 Tide Pod digital coupon is going to drop it down to $27.98. Pay that and get $10 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for a $4 back for the Olive Vitamin. That will end up making these 2 products $13.98 or $6.99 each. And if you have a 10 off 17s purchase CRT, add this deal to the transaction. Another easy spend 30 get $10 back this week will be pick up one of the Tide liquids on sale for $14.99 and pick up one of the Gain dryer sheets on sale for $5.49. The next item to pick up to complete this deal will be the Chic Men disposable razors. They are priced at $9.99, but if you don't want the men and you want the female, you can pick up the Skintimate disposable razor. Some of them are also priced at $9.99. These 3 items are going to total $30.47. In our app, we have a $3 coupon for the Tide, and we also received a $3 digital coupon for the Chic disposable razor. For the Gain, we have a $1 coupon that will also apply to this. This $7 coupon is going to drop it down to $23.47. Pay that and get $10 back, making all these 3 items just $13.47 or $4.49 each. This next deal is not giving back any extra care box, but the Nivea Lotion 13.5 to 16.9 ounces or the Cream Tub 6.8 ounces, they're on sale for $5.99. We have a $2 digital coupon that is going to drop it down to just $3.99. If you don't have the $2 digital coupon or you need an extra one, all you have to do is submit your receipt to Shopkick for a $2 back. The next deal I have here will be on the Eucerin body lotion. They are part of the spend 20 get $10 back, and this is a limit of 1. Pick up 3 of the original healing lotion priced at $6.99, and these are the 5 ounces. These 3 items are going to total $20.97. I have this $3 coupon. They are from 17 savings set. Use 2 of them and 1 from the app. The 3 coupons are going to drop it down to $11.97. Pay that and get $10 back, making all 3 of them just $1.97 or 66 cents each. The next deal I have is on Neutrogena Cosmetics. They're on the deal of buy 3 get $10 back. Pick up the Neutrogena eye makeup remover. It's priced at $6.79. Then pick up 2 of the makeup wipes, priced at $7.49 each. Make sure you're picking all these items from the cosmetics section, because the one in the facial section doesn't work on this deal. The 3 of them are going to total $21.77. Check your app because we have a 3 off 2 coupon that is attaching on the wipes. It's not attaching on the eye makeup remover. And today we received a $3 mystery offer. These 2 coupons are going to drop it down to $15.77. Pay that and get $10 back. Then submit your receipt to activate reward, because you get $5 back when you spend $20 or $10 back when you spend $30, but you have to do it in 1 transaction. After the reward, it's going to make these 3 items just 77 cents or 26 cents each. The next deal I have is on Maybelline Cosmetics, and they're on the deal of buy 3 get $8 back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 3 of the baby lips. They are priced at $4.99 each. And these three items are going to total $14.97. I have this $3 mystery offer from last week. If you printed yours out, mine extended till the 19th. And we also received another $3 Maybelline digital coupon. Check your app and see if you have a 3 or 15 Maybelline CRT. I know my total for these three products was $14.97, but that's within the 98% rule. The two CRTs and the one digital coupon is going to drop the total down to $5.97. Pay that and get $8 back, making all three items free and a $2.03 moneymaker. The next deal I have here is buy two get $6 back on any NYX professional makeup, and this is a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the NYX lip liner. They are priced at $5.49 each. And these two products are going to total $10.98. I have a 2 of 10 NYX CRT that will drop it down to $8.98. Pay that and get $6 back, making both items just $2.98 or $1.49 each. The next deal I have will be on Bud Beats wipes. They are part of the buy 2 get $6 back, and that's the 30 count. Pick up 2. They are priced at $6.99 each. That will total $13.98. Check your app because we have the 2 of 2 digital coupon if you didn't use yours last week for the sheet marks. If you still have yours, use it with this deal. It's going to drop it down to $11.98. Pay that and get $6 back, making both products just $5.98 or $2.99 each. The next deal I have will be on Nivea body wash. They are part of the spend 20 get $10 back, and it's a limit of 1. You can pick up the men or the women however way you want it, but the way I have it here is to pick up one of the women, the 24 ounces, priced at $7.99. Then pick up 2 of the men. They are priced at $6.79 each. These 3 items are going to total $21.57. In our 1/7 savings set, we have a 3 of 2 Nivea men body wash coupon, and also in the same insert, we have a $1.50 off Nivea women body wash. These 2 coupons are going to drop it down to $17.07. Pay that and get $10 back, making all 3 of them just $7.07 or $2.36 each. All I have will be on Dove body wash, the 20 ounces. They are part of the buy 2 get $3 back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2. They are priced at $8.99, and these 2 items are going to total $17.98. We have a $3 digital coupon that is going to apply to it and drop it down to $14.98. Pay that and get $3 back. Then submit your receipt to ShopMium for the second $3 for the product that you don't have coupon on. That will end up making these 2 items just $8.98 or $4.49 each. The next deal I have is on Axe body wash and shower gel. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 extra care box back. Pick up 2. They are priced at $6.49. The second one is going to be $3.25, and both are going to total $9.74. Today we received a 4 of 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $5.74. Pay that and get $2 back, making both items $3.74 or $1.87 each. The next deal I have here is on soft soap and Irish Spring body wash. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off, and when you buy 2, you get $4 extra care box back. Pick up one of the Irish Spring body wash. They are priced at $7.49. This will be the one that will be full price. To complete this deal, add the soft soap. It's priced at $6.59, and because this is the cheaper priced one, it's going to be the one that will be 40% off. And these 2 items are going to total $11.38. Today we received a $2 digital coupon for the Irish Spring, and also for the soft soap we have another $2 digital coupon. After these 2 coupons apply, it's going to drop it down to $7.38. Pay that and get $4 back, making both products $3.38 or $1.69 each. This is a repeat deal from last week and it's on Garnier Fruities. They're on sale for 2 for 8, and when you buy 2, you get $3 extra care box back. Pick up 2. Check your app because we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that is going to drop it down to $5. Pay that and get $3 back, making both products just $2 or $1 each. If you need L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner this week, they're on sale for 2 for 9. It's not giving back any extra care box, but we're also getting a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $6 for 2 or $3 each. Gillette Shave Foam is part of the buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2, they are priced at $4.39. That means the second one is going to be $2.20, and both items are going to total $6.59. I don't have any coupon in my app for this. That means you have to pay the $6.59 and get $3 back, making both of them just $3.59 or $1.80 each. You by Kotex is on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the 16 count liners. They are priced at $1.89. That means the second one will be 95 cents. These 2 items are going to total $2.87. Pay that and get $2 back, making both items just 84 cents or 42 cents each. If you need some snacks or if you need filler items, the Rice Krispies treats, they're on sale for $1.99 this week. I checked their website. I wasn't able to find any coupon because I know I normally go there and print out the coupon. I don't know if they discontinued it, but you can check and see if it works for you. But if you don't want the Rice Krispie treats, the Pop-Tarts are also on sale for $1.99. The whole cough drop 30 counts are part of the buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 extra care box back. Pick up 2. One will be priced at $3.39 and the second one will be $1.70. And these 2 items are going to total $5.09. In 114 Smart Sauce, there is a $1.25 off 2 coupon that will help drop it down to $3.84. Pay that and get $2 back, making both products just $1.84 or 92 cents each. The next deal I have here will be on the Boost Original 6 packs. They're on sale for $9.79 each, and when you buy 4, you get $10 extra care box back. Pick up 4, that will total $39.16. And we have this 6 off 2 coupon we got from the 1/7 savings set. Use 2 of those and it's going to drop it down to $27.16. Pay that and get $10 back, and that will make these 4 products just $17.16 or $4.29 each. The next deal I have is spend 20 get $5 back on Cottonelle 9 mega roll or Viva 6 big rolls, and this is a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Cottonelle 9 mega rolls. They are on sale for $10.79 each, and 2 of them are going to total $21.58. Today we received a $2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $19.58. Pay that and get $5 extra care box back, making both products $14.58 or $7.29 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye bye.